What's up guys, my name is Fernando from Truck Camper Lifestyle and today I'm bringing you a summer throwback. As you may have noticed, this summer I didn't post as much videos, almost none were posted. I did go on a lot of trips and I did record most of them, but the GoPro gave me so many issues. There were times when it was recording, but then when I put it on the PC, there's voice but no video. So a lot of my footage was scrapped. This is the one trip where I managed to salvage things because I also had a second camera with me. So on this trip, me and some friends went on a 3-day backcountry canoeing trip in Ontario. It was pretty fun. Check it out.
Way faster than us.
She is.
This is my actual sport. I hope so.
Come on, we gotta go fast, ready?
I don't know. I don't want to fall in.
Don't fall in. Oh.
You know the big direction you're going in?
Nope. Oh. Just now.
Okay, okay.
Good stop.
So we are in Ontario right now. We are paddling somewhere. I have no clue. They are plotting. Huh?
Keep one safe just in case.
Actually,
We have a few portages. Let's see where this goes. What should we say?
I'm sure, yeah. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Echo!
Hello! That's cool. It's super loud too.
Yeah. And it's enough delay that it actually sounds like someone else.
Yeah. Just need to know how to throw water, not get closer.
I will flash you.
If
I
not,
want to pay for a new camera.
Oh, yeah.
it's in the bag, but
Still not worth the risk. The guy that came
oh, that got you good. But it feels good though.
all the set of clothes I have.
Oh.
Really? Yeah. Not too bad.
Okay, so we are approaching the first portage of 300 meters and then we have to paddle another 5k from there. We're planning to paddle a total of 13 kilometers.
13 to 15, depending how far we go.
13 to 15 today. It's like 5:30 p.m. Oh, little fishy. Should I paddle or no?
No.
Should I brace?
I just drift.
You hit the log.
Yeah, I should hurt top.
Bad driving. Minus 10 points.
I get out on the log because I don't really want to get my feet wet at first.
So we just carried some stuff down through the first portage. It's about 300 meters and then we are going back for the boats. I decided to do it barefoot, which was a bad move.
The ferns are so cute.
Yeah. There were some wildflowers at the beginning that looked really nice.
Is this your first backcountry canoe trip without a cabin?
Yes.
Hell yeah.
This is technically my second canoe trip.
Ben, we have a new child.
You do.
I'm the child.
What's with you for enough weed?
Do I get to be spoilt and annoying?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You already are.
Okay, so we finished the first portage. We are heading down another 5k
I'm not sure.
ish. And when they stuck.
Yeah, 5K to the rivet lake.
Okay. What's up? Okay, you good?
Yep.
Okay.
So we're heading basically just the same direction, straight.
Okay.
Right, we're warmed up now too.
Hmm?
We're warmed up now.
Nice.
Good bite. Video.
So we are on the middle of the second. Okay, so we are in the middle of the second part and we are gonna eat something just floating in the water. What do we have?
Baguette, sauce, and drink.
Sounds good. Okay, we had a quick meal and now we are headed to where we are going. I have no clue, I'm just following Ben today. To where we are going.
What? Yeah.
They might also be lost in a gigantic random lake, but nobody cares.
I left the check. I know it's this direction, right?
Okay, so we are at the second portage now. There's, I believe, 2 more to go. I'm not sure how long this is, but it's pretty out here.
350 meters.
350 meters. So we need to go. There.
A little lopsided this way.
Because put one of these heavier ones on the opposite side there. Whether you have to move the sleeping pad or I think tent can just go right in there.
Yeah. That's everything? There you go.
Okay, so we just finished the second portage. We might camp on the next one because it's getting dark and there also might be a storm. GoPro's dead, but I'm gonna continue this on the phone.
Leaving.
Bless you.
That mosquito.
I feel like that'll determine if we stay here for the night or up to the next spot.
So we are currently at our potentially last portage before we camp. There's a good chance it'll rain a lot tonight, so we need to set up the tent quick. Maybe my blood is sweet.
Oh, that's probably some script in the fishing boat. I'm like, who's dragging a canoe like that? In the fishing boat, you get the shit.
We found rapids.
We did.
Well, white water.
Flowers.
Invasive.
Are they?
Oxeye daisies. Very invasive.
Oh yeah.
Are they native to anywhere?
I believe overseas.
Okay. Okay, so we got through the final portage. Next stop should be a potential campsite. We might stay there and move if we don't like it, but we don't have enough light to go further, I think. She's gone. We're gonna stay here for the night. Depending on if we like it, we might move tomorrow.
See any trees nearby that look good? Any trees?
So I'm down to the last battery on my GoPro and it's 21%. I do have the Insta360 and my phone, so let's see what I can record. So far we are just setting up the tent here on a rock. This is the view. There's a fire pit here too, that's good. It's really nice. Yeah.
The anchor.
That one.
Are we tying this? Oh, you can't tie it.
It's fine.
Oh, it's dirty
Oh,
in
no,
there.
I
Have to
did it.
sweep it.
I put this on the rain fly the last time.
It's fine.
Okay, so we set up camp yesterday and ate supper, made a fire, and then went to sleep shortly after. We are going for a swim now, and I don't know what we are doing today. It's pretty out.
July 8th, 2025. Vihan is filtering lake water.
Good enough? So we had a quick swim. Now we are heading over to where we hung the bear piñata. We hung up all our food on a tree somewhere way over there. So we are gonna get there, have breakfast, oatmeals I think, and then keep exploring. I don't know if you have to. Oh, never mind. You did. Hello. That's also not what hooks, so don't dip it in there.
Dunk.
Unless you want.
Did not bring the bear for us. No. No bears, please.
We go over to this side. That works too.
I think that's the way that we went the first time. Right.
No.
No?
Is it? I don't know.
This is where we always go.
Yeah, this is. So we have all our food somewhere up there. It's a bear piñata. What? It looks much higher from there, doesn't it?
sign of disturbance. That one out of our campsite the last time would have been brutal. I'm really glad that we didn't do it.
Didn't have these symptoms as a kid. ADHD develops as a kid. But I think I did. I just didn't know that.
Yeah.
July 8th, 2025. We're talking about ADHD. I'm with Vihan. We've the canoe is floating. We're just grabbing some pot gear. We're going back to meet Amanda.
On a
Yeah,
island,
she's out in the island there. You can't even see her. But
I waved in the general direction earlier. I don't even know where she is. Good?
we'll see if I can paddle while recording.
I can, for the most part, paddle you if you record. I think I can paddle you solo. Okay, let's try.
We're currently on Fish Lake, the experimental lakes area. We're not quite sure what the experiment they're doing is, but hopefully we don't fuck it up. We saw a group of 9 paddlists coming through just about an hour ago, and it took them forever to do the portage, but we're alone again, which is nice.
You should also tell them we were just basically standing on a rock all day.
Oh yeah, we've been sitting on a rock all day long and have not done almost anything, but it's been fantastic.
It's been fun. You see Amanda now?
I don't think they can yet. It's very wide lens.
Yeah, but when you get it on a computer screen, probably.
Ah.
Okay, so we got back on the rock and have been reunited with Amanda. We're gonna make mac and cheese for, I guess, lunch. And then we're gonna explore, is this Fish Lake?
Fish Lake.
Fish Lake. Just paddle around, see what we can find. We are not gonna do any more portages because I don't want to carry a canoe down a random trail. I think everyone agrees. Did you get it? Hello. Okay, so we are happy. Okay, so we are having supper on day 2. We are having ramen. I decided not to bring cutlery, so I have stick chopsticks from Amanda. So after having lunch on day 2, we were pretty much just chilling on the rock where we set up the tent. Everyone was tired from paddling 15 kilometers the previous day, and then we also had to paddle back 15 the next day to get back to the truck. So we were just chilling there, looking at the wildlife, taking pictures, making drawings. And then finally on day 3, we had breakfast and then started heading back towards the truck. This water was really rough. I'll try to include a picture here. It was tough to get any video. Amanda managed to get one, so I'll include that somewhere. But overall, it was a great trip. So that's about it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and see you on my next video.